Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Biryani is a must-have for any special occasion, from birthdays to anniversaries to festivals. This chicken biryani recipe is my mom's recipe and my favorite since childhood. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Soak 4 cups of basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. Cut a whole chicken in medium-sized pieces. In this recipe, we grind all the fresh ingredients. The measurements correspond to a full chicken, about 1¼ kilos. 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 cup of mint leaves. 4 medium tomatoes, 2-inch ginger peas, 6 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 4 1-inch cinnamon sticks, 4 cardamom, 6 cloves, 3 large onions, Let's grind the fresh ingredients first. Grind the tomatoes separately. Grind the coriander and mint leaves together, adding a little water to facilitate grinding. Ginger and garlic can be ground together with the spices, fennel seeds, cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves. Grind the onions separately. Let's start making the biryani. In a vessel or pressure cooker, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Few curry leaves, one bay leaf, 6 split green chilies, 1 chopped onion. Saute well. Add the freshly ground ginger, garlic and spices paste and saute till the raw smell leaves. Add the freshly ground coriander and mint paste. Cook till the oil separates. Add the freshly ground onion paste. Cover the lid and allow the ingredients to cook for few minutes. Add the freshly ground tomato paste. Add 2 teaspoons coriander powder. One teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Add required salt. Cover the lid and allow the ingredients to cook for few minutes at medium heat. Add the chicken pieces into the gravy. Add salt to taste and mix well. Close the lid and let it cook for some time, about 25 minutes, till the chicken cooks completely. Stir in between if needed to avoid burning. Add the soaked basmati rice into the vessel. Add lemon juice from 1 lemon. Add salt to taste and mix well. If the rice is immersed completely in the gravy, you can let it cook as it is. Else, add a cup of water and allow it to cook. Close with the lid and cook on high heat for 7 minutes. Then reduce to medium heat and cook for another 7 minutes. Then reduce to low heat and cook for 15 minutes. Delicious chicken biryani is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.